Hi, I'm Melinda, and throughout Lent, I am reading through the book of Mark. We're in chapter 7 today, so grab your tea and let's get into it. In today's passage, Jesus calls a woman a dog. There's no getting around it. That's what he does. Scholars will tell you that he's referring to cute little pet dogs, puppies, but still, from the woman's perspective, I don't think that's a good thing. I don't think that makes her feel happy to have a stranger refer to her as a dog, even a friendly little one. So, why does Jesus do this? It doesn't seem very Christ like. Yes, he's willing to call out Pharisees and the arrogant and the rich. But when it comes to poor, needy people, and this woman's daughter is very, very ill, she has a great need in this moment, he's usually very compassionate. She is a Canaanite. They were, you know, not friendly with the Jews. They were Gentiles. But Jesus was spoke to Samaritans, and he hadn't let that stop him before. So what's up? Why is he insulting this woman? And then why does he seem to change his mind when she offers a counter argument? The best explanation I've heard for this comes from considering the honor shame culture of the time and place. From putting this conversation into context, one thing that apparently occurs multiple times in ancient literature um, is sort of a trope where a ruler is approached by someone more humble with a request, a reasonable request, something they need, something's within the power of the person approached to grant. And at first, the person approached says no, turns the person away. But then, after hearing a righteous or compelling argument, grants the request. Typically, in honor shame cultures, one person comes away from an encounter honored and the other goes away shamed. But in the type of situations I just described, both go away with honor. The person who approached and made the request goes away having made an argument that compelled a leader. That grants them honor. And the person approached, the ruler or leader, has allowed himself to be persuaded because of righteousness. And that gives him honor. So it may be that Jesus makes this argument in order to give the woman a chance to gain honor, rather than just granting the request, which would have made her seem like a needy person begging in the dirt, a source of shame in that time and place, while also not being shamed himself. That's the best explanation that I've heard for this passage in Mark 7. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for listening. Have a blessed night.